In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer in Hitman 3 to unlock cheats like infinite health, ammo, and more. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the trainer.exe and select yes option. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, I'm going to turn on the super speed. As you can see, the trainer is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.